Hello, 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 and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a channel to make sure that you have everything needed to build your business to a six-figure cleaning business and beyond. So today is marketing day. I am going to give you a tip to get even closer to that six-figure cleaning business benchmark. Okay. So there are three major components when it comes to getting, attracting, keeping customers. So the first part is attracting. I get so many questions on just how to attract your customers. And I always say the best way to do that is when they are so happy to do business with you. I call them your raving fans. Six-figure cleaning business fans. That's exactly what you want to do. So the question is, how do you get them? How do I get these six-figure cleaning business fans that are out there? So whether you are doing a industrial area when it comes to cleaning, or whether you're doing a move-in and move-out for commercial property, or you're doing an HOA association commercial, the goal is to have them come to you. And how do you do that? Ta-da! Lead magnet. You must have a lead magnet on your what? Website. That's right. A lead magnet is what is going to lead them to leave information where then you can court them. That is really important. And you want to make sure your lead magnet leads with something that's enticing, that makes them say, you know what? I'm going to take the time to leave them my email information. Email information is like gold. It is highly protected by a lot of individuals because they didn't want to have a whole lot of emails coming in. And it's really expensive when it comes to getting email addresses. People spend thousands of dollars on paid advertising to get in email addresses. So you want to have an engine that constantly is automated, working and obtaining those coveted email addresses. So one of the ways you do that is having a fantastic lead magnet. Yes. Now you could have a lead magnet on a checklist. You could send something or set something up as a lead magnet that actually is provided to your customers, your potential customers, on a checklist on something they can do to implement in their business right now. So the checklist could be 10 ways to make sure you have a safe environment, or to check the quality of the air of your building, or to make sure your restrooms are clean. And now, once again, you are giving them your expertise. You're not saying that they do not need a professional company. But what this is going to do, if you have the right lead magnet, is it will remind them of how smart you are. And that's the goal. So your lead magnet could be a report, a little small 3 or 4 page report on the best way to make sure that your employees feel safe when you're selecting a cleaning company, what you're looking for in a cleaning company. All of these are key things you can put in your lead magnet. And your lead magnet is going to be that one thing that pops up on your website that they put in their email address in exchange for that report or checklist or ebook or something of value you're going to give to them. So let's look at how that goes. They come to your website. You've got your analytics in place. Make sure you've got whatever website host you're using. It gives you the number of visitors, how long they're there, everything. You've got to have your matrix, okay? Once you have your matrix, you have this pop-up or however squeeze page, landing page, whatever you want to call it. It's a box that comes up with this information, which is going to be your lead magnet. They then put in the email information in exchange for whatever it is you're giving them. And remember, you can do this absolutely free. You can craft a checklist. You can do a PowerPoint or a simple PDF through WordPress or through your Microsoft Word or Google Docs. All of those you can use. Very simple. I think Google Docs is $6 a month, and they have all these other things in it as part of the Microsoft Google Suite. So $6 a month, you can craft your own lead magnet. Boom. Now, if you want to learn more about the very steps that I personally took to scale my business, not 1, 2, but 3 six-figure cleaning businesses from scratch, guess what? I have something for you. I have a 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass. And with the 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass, I go into the very method that I use to build my 3 cleaning businesses. Started one 25 years ago all the way up to currently. Increased and changed the technology. It's on automation. I go through all the mistakes I made when I first got started that you do not have to make, because now you've got a blueprint. So if you're interested, it's live and we have a lot of fun. Answer all your questions, and I normally have you in and out within about an hour. So if this sounds like something you really want to do where you can learn and cut through all the shortcuts, guess what? Join me, register for my free 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass. And once again, space is limited, so make sure you register and click below. Until next time, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.